VI is a terminal application. Therefore, we have to start it from a terminal window. To start it, type VI and then keep a space and type the file path. This command works even if the file does not exist. If the file does not exist, it creates a new file on the given path. This is how the VI editor looks like. VI editor has two modes, command mode and insert mode. Command mode is the one that we see when we first open the editor. This command mode allows us to insert commands, but we cannot insert content to the file. Here we see the command mode. If we insert content, the content will not be inserted, but still we can move the cursor. Now let's edit this file. Before that, I have to add content to this file. To add content, I have to go to Insert mode. To go to Insert mode, press letter I on your keyboard. Once you press letter I on your keyboard, you can see Insert mode is displayed here. Let's insert few lines to this file. After adding content, we have to exit from this insert mode. To exit, press Escape key on your keyboard. This will exit from the insert mode and bring you back to command mode. Now I'm going to edit this file. Press letter V on your keyboard. Once you press letter V, you can see visual here. But before pressing V, make sure that you are in the command mode. Now you can move your cursor and select text. If you finish, you can exit using Escape key on your keyboard. Once you press Escape key, you will not see visual anymore. Now we are back in command mode. And also you can do any of these operations: cut, delete, undo, copy or paste. To do these operations, you have to use these commands. To cut or delete a character, you will have to use X. To delete line from right of the cursor to end of the line, you have to use D. By using double D, you can delete entire line. If you want to undo last edit or restore current line, you can use letter U. If you select letter Y on your keyboard, you can copy the selected text, and then if you use P, you can paste that text. Let's see some more movement commands now. Here are some movement commands. Letter A to move to end of the line. Letter H to move one space backward, and J for moving down one line, and K to move up one line, and L to move one space forward, W to move cursor to start of next word, and B to move cursor to start of previous word. And you can go to any given line number by using colon and then the line number. Now let's see how to save our file and quit. Here we have number of options. Each option starts with colon. In each case, we use W to write and Q for quit. That means if you use colon W, your file will be written to the disk, but it will not exit. And if we use punctuation mark, that means we can do the operation even if the file is read-only. Therefore, colon WQ means write the file to the disk and exit. If you use colon WQ and the punctuation mark, that means write the file to the disk, quit, even if the file is read-only. If you simply use colon and Q, that will quit the file only if there are no changes. And if you use colon, Q and the punctuation mark, it will quit the file with the changes you have made.